That was fucking easy.
Oh my God. Woo, we did it! Nicely done, Millers. Give it up. Very good job. Here you go. Rose, yeah. David, there you go. We are all officially international drug smugglers. Added to the resume. How about a little victory music, huh? Oh, no.
Don't change it. I love this song.
Me too. What? I didn't even like this song when it was popular.
Come on, listen up, David.
Don't do this. What are you doing? This isn't even a good victory song. No, stop. We're not doing this. This is embarrassing.
You're moving too fast.
Ow.
Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not what God given me. Is it because my life in 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praising for the sunny day. You claim the insane, a nameless place in time for fall and pray to crime. I swear the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations in hopes of coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me, and don't go chasing waterfalls.
Woo! Yeah, Eddie, where did you learn to do that?
Yeah, whatever.
Señor Chacon, no estamos esperando, señor. We were not expecting you.
I decided to bring the gringo myself to make sure everything goes as planned.
But the gringo has already left with the shipment, senor.
What gringo?
The gringo with the haircut of a donkey.
You mean this gringo with the haircut of a donkey?
I have failed you, senor.
If you saw this gringo again, would you recognize him in his vehicle?
He was driving an RV with his family.
Get in the car.
Oh, how fast are you going?
Calm down. I'm going the speed limit. We're not going to get pulled over.
No. I mean, loaded down like this in a 15-ton vehicle, going up a 10% grade? I mean, just use your head, David. I don't think you think things through. What? Weight distribution, loading, and towing. See?
Yeah, I do. I thought this plan through. Seems to be working out.
Oh, great.